Oh my gosh, lami ka na, Joy.
I'm gonna do a haul. So I went to grocery store. Gaisano. I'm gonna put you here para makitaan ko na yun.
Nagabaktas ka with your grocery?
Yeah.
Wala ka sikuan? Candy?
Yeah. My first thing is this. This is boneless milkfish steak a la pobre.
Ay, bangos?
Milkfish o bangus. Marinated na. Boneless.
Oh, hindi na, Joy.
Lang, nalit lang. And the second one is another boneless but it's not marinated.
Ako tayo na dali. Gamay lagi.
Gamay siya, pero kuhaan siya ka ng buso.
Wala na siguro na. Wala na ulo o ikaw.
Oh, wala. And then, I bought cabbage.
Gamay kailang cabbage pa.
Lagi? That's fine. And then, I have ice cream. And what flavor is ice cream?
Kaya matakatong ice cream, Joy.
Ice cream. This is double Dutch. Select the double Dutch. Whole. So my next one is tissue box. Tissue. I like this tissue. And then I have cotton buds for my glycolic acid. And then I found Super Crunch.
Nga, pala ko ang joke po.
Kumura man yung para sa akong ginapalit. And then wet wipes. So, mula na siya akong gipalit. Wala na ko lang gipalit.
Pwede ba ka?
Finding fulfillment in their work instead of just feeling irreplaceable like most of us do. And I knew that this was something I needed to do. It was a complete light bulb moment for me. I felt so deep in my point is you are never going to get to where you want to go by just thinking about getting there.
When I see the most success in are the ones who are willing to like sloppily jump into action.
As the kids are saying today, talk to the hand.
They're not saying that.
Hey, great launch. Is that the prototype drive system for the IG rover? Bernadette got me a Fitbit so she can track how much I'm exercising. The other day when she tried to put that Fitbit on me and I ran physical benefits. For all you know, I could be exercising right now. I'll do it tomorrow. Wouldn't be the worst thing if we were more active. You make an excellent point. I think I'm getting a runner's high. In a hot, dense state that nearly 13 billion years ago, expansion started. Wait, began to gooey on a trophy, began to gooey and all developed gooey, don't the
Here's me trying to slice. What is this? This is Guyabano. Guyabano. See, it's a Guyabano. I don't know how to slice this, but I'm just gonna try however we can slice this. You know, Guyabano juice is very yummy. It's very healthy because it's a fruit. I never really ate an actual real Guyabano. This is the first time. Oh my gosh! Look! Now, how do you eat this? I don't know how to eat this. Do I peel this? Let's try to slice one more. Maybe it's gonna... I should have watched a YouTube video about this. Let's see. Where's the food? Oh my gosh, I think this is not good. Is this it? Okay, we're gonna Google how to eat Guyabano. I don't know how to eat it. I know, we're gonna TikTok. I was expecting it to be soft. See? It should be soft. Yeah, it should be soft. This is not soft. Is it dead? So it should be soft. Nothing here is soft. This is like a dead Guyabano. No, no. Maybe it's dead. It's like dried Guyabano. Yep, it's all dry. Nothing here. Fail. This is fail. Yep. Maybe I didn't eat it early enough. Wasted. How much? $45. 45 pesos. Wow! Happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday to you! Ay! Ano yun? Dapat din naka-speaker ka. So, low.
Sponsored by...
Ate Ging!
No, ginseng man to.
Ging!
Happy
Happy birthday
birthday.
to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Excited ko. Nag-video tayo.
Thank you very much. thank you, Ate Ging, sa lami kayo nga cake.
Ako, eating representative. Tadaan! Nagpadalambi ako sa nai. Wow! You can slice the cake. Ngayon na ito nakila na siya lapat.
Diyan na, chocolate.
No, that's the whiskers.
Chocolate o whiskers. Kapag iwan. Ay,
Kuan ba yan? Kuan eh. Ube something.
ha?
Ube something.
Ube? Oh, wow.
Ang pala mo.
Purple?
Wow!
Oh, wow. Salame.
Ano to? Oh, tada! Wow! Naku, tilawan. Nahumot na kayo. Wow!
Nga, ma'am. Saan mo na, ma'am? Di ba bawal nakatamis?